Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Pretty excited today. We got our first 2021 Nautique G23 Paragon. Obviously the Paragon came out last year and was a huge success. We got our first one in this year. We got the nice docking lights on, very bright on both sides, just looks really cool. We've got the steel blue metal flake all the way up and down. In the sun, this just really pops, looks awesome. And then we've got the new haze gray with the white accent. You can see the tower, we've got the white with some haze gray as well. And then these really cool haze gray true weave inserts. Has a really nice texture to it, something kind of new this year as well. We did option this with the wake subs. So you got the 12-inch here and a 12-inch subwoofer on both sides. The sound system in this is incredible. As we look underneath here, we do have some underwater lights that we optioned, and then we did option it with the steer assist as well. And obviously you see the surf pipe, we got NSS, NCRS, everything going on back here. So let's go on the inside of the boat and take a look at the rest. So welcome to the interior. I first wanted to just show you the back of the boat here. So right here, we've got the nice sea decking all around here. So if you're stepping off the dock onto your boat, you're not stepping on any cushions or anything. So this is what it looks like when it's down. Then, obviously a lot of people have seen this already, but the seats that are back here, you lift this up and you've got an awesome seat with cup holders. You can hang out, you're swimming. There's actually a cooler underneath here for you. Just a phenomenal job that they did. We got the nice tiered steps all the way up into the boat. So as we come on, you can see we have the haze gray again all the way through. We've got the bench seating. So this pops here, this opens it up. So we can have everybody sit this way, and there's actually one more. We bring it all the way back, and then it's all in one line. Everybody can sit back and enjoy. This does pop down. We do have storage under here, and this is actually where you can see the 12-inch subwoofer, and then we have another 12-inch subwoofer on the other side. So with the wake subs, we have a total of 4 12-inch subwoofers. We'll look up here in the tower. So I've got 2 pair of 8.8 speakers up here, and then 2 of them up here with the down lighting. Just intricate work up in here, everywhere around this boat. And then obviously the tower. This is the tower that just, by the push of a button, can go up and down. So if you've got bridges, if you've got a lift, if you have to fit in a storage area, this can go up and down to help you with that. We've got storage on both sides. You notice they're on hinges and they're communicating to the other side. So very nice sea decking all the way through. We've got more cooler storage underneath here. You can pull that cooler out and just put a bunch of ice in there. That works out really well too. And then we can take a look at the screen a little bit. Actually, we should take a look at both screens. So Nautique's always had the 12.4-inch link pen array here. And what they did on the Paragon is they added another screen here. This is just all your vitals. So it's always right out in front of you. And then this is the controls for everything else in the boat. You can see we got the lighted cup holders on, so the lighting package all the way through, which is really nice to see. Something small but really nice that Nautique always does is the nice garbage can. So you can just open this up, put your trash in there and keep your clutter under control. We've got a beautiful bow, massive bow in the Paragon. We got armrests here. I'm sitting on the filler cushion. This can be flipped over and it has sea deck on the other side, so you can walk off without having to step on any of your cushions. You do have storage underneath both of these. Paragon is at another level. So this boat is here in Minnesota, and before it gets too cold, we can actually get this thing out on the water and do some demos before winter comes. But if you have any questions, give us a call, set up an appointment, set up a demo. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.